Ma'am, page number.
Very good morning, children. Welcome back to our online mathematics class. Yeah, today we are going to do page number
174, ma'am.
171.
171.
Yeah, page number 171. Okay. Yeah. So let's start now. Yeah, here
Yes, ma'am.
18 socks are there are 18 socks. How many girls can wear these socks? There are 18 socks. How many girls can wear these socks? 18 means, suppose how many legs we have, ma?
6.
How many legs we have? 2 legs.
18.
So we need to wear how many socks we will wear? When you are going to school.
2 socks, ma'am. Just 2
Socks you will wear. Very good. That means out of total socks, sir, how many are there we have?
18 socks. 18 socks.
One girl can wear how many, ma?
2 socks.
Start 36 minutes to make one roti.
Is equal to 9.
36 minutes లో రోటీస్ చేస్తారు. 1 roti takes 3 minutes. 36 rotis ని ఎన్ని minutes లో చేయాలంటే ఏం చేయాలి? దాన్ని multiplication చేయాలి.
When you will get 18 in 2 table, ma? How many girls can wear? 9 girls can wear 18 socks. 9 girls can wear 18 socks.
18 socks.
9 girls.
9 girls can wear 18 socks. Answer is 9, ma'am.
Very good.
Don't have
Very good.
place, ma'am. We can
Now,
answer it, ma'am.
yeah, let us go for the next question. Okay. So what is the next question? Raz has 36 minutes to make. Raz has 36 minutes to make rotis. Okay. So one roti. What is the time to make one? How many? One roti takes 3 minutes.
3 minutes, ma'am.
1 3 minutes. Now we need to find how many rotis he can make. Okay, how many rotis he can make?
12 rotis, ma'am. 12 rotis.
Yeah, let us check it.
12 rotis.
Yeah, so here Raz has 36 to make rotis. One roti takes 3 minutes. How many rotis can he make in this time? Okay, so what is the statement we have here? So total time is 36 minutes. Time taken to prepare one roti is 3 minutes. Okay.
To make a roll, one take 3 minutes.
Yeah, total time.
How many rotis can
Total time is 36
make
minutes.
in this time? He
Time
can
taken
make
to make
12 rotis.
one roti. How many minutes, ma?
3 minutes, ma'am. 3 minutes, ma'am.
Now, how many rotis he can make in this time? Okay, number of
12.
rotis.
12, ma'am. 12,
36 divided by 3.
12.
36 divided by 3 we need to do. So 3, first step done. How many times it will go? 3 ones are 3. We know that division is repeated subtraction. So do subtraction here. 3 minus 3 is 0. Now get down the next number. 6. How many times it will go?
6.
6.
Answer is 12, ma'am.
Answer is 12. 12 rotis he can make in 36 minutes. 12 rotis he can make in 36 minutes.
12, ma'am.
Yes. He can make 12 rotis in 36 minutes. Now here. So these are 24 foot marks of goats. So how many goats were there?
24.
One goat has how many legs, ma?
4. 4.
Yeah.
Make
Four
of
is one group. Okay. 4 footmarks is one group. So total number of goats are 24. Each goat has how many legs, ma? 4 legs.
4 ma'am.
One goat has 4 footmarks. Okay.
Ma'am, answer is 6 ma'am. 6
Very good.
ma'am. Answer is 6. Answer is 6 ma'am.
Total footmarks.
Ma'am. Total footmarks.
Total footmarks how many?
4
4 legs.
4 legs.
So number of footmarks for one goat.
6 ma'am. 6 ma'am. 6 goats ma'am.
What is my question here? Number of footmarks for one goat I am asking. Ma.
6. 4 ma'am. 4.
Listen to my question.
4 ma'am.
Number of footmarks for one goat.
Answering
If a goat is having 4 legs,
ma'am.
can
All of you ma'am. 6 goats only there ma'am.
a number of footmarks for one goat. If a goat is having 4 legs, number of footmarks for one goat is 4. Now number of goats we need. How many goats we have? We have to find it out. So total footmarks divided by footmarks of one goat. So when you will get in 4 table 24 mark. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 sixes are 24. So 4 6 times we are getting 24. So the answer is 6. So number of goats is 66. Number of goats is 6. Okay, 10 fingers. Yeah, so here total fingers are given for us.
30.
Total fingers.
Rita is unmute.
Just now I told you don't shout. Listen to me and answer to my question only. Yeah. So one girl is having 2 hands and each hand is having 5 fingers. So one girl is having how many fingers?
10 fingers.
10 fingers. One girl is having
10 fingers. One girl have 10 fingers.
So that means total fingers are 60. One girl is having 10 fingers. Now number of girls we need to find out. Number of girls.
3 6.
10 ones are 10. 10 twos are 20. 10 fours are 40.
10 fish are 60 ma'am.
10 fives are 50. In 10 table, 10 will go 6 times in 60. How many times it will go, ma? 6 times. So that
6 times.
so 6 girls are playing. How many girls are playing?
6
Girls are
girls ma'am.
playing.
A rabbit jumps
So
5
let's go for the next question.
A horse jumps 15 steps. A kangaroo
Yeah, somewhere I am getting sounds. Please mute yourself. Ashrita, Karuna, mute yourself, ma. Yeah, see here. Lakshmi has 27 kg potatoes to sell. 3 men came and bought equal amount of potatoes. That means what? Here 27 kg potatoes are distributed into 3 men. Okay, so distributed into equally distributing. Equally distributing means what?
27
Equally distributing means what?
Each and their men came to and watched.
Equally
Dying
distributing
of
means what?
sharing.
Sharing means
Each
what?
man bought dash kg of potato.
Equally sharing.
Equally sharing. What we have to do?
Division.
Yes, very good. Who said that division? Pridhiva. Very good, Pridhiva. So equally sharing means what? Dividing. We are dividing 27 kg potato among 3 men. Okay. So that means how you can write the statement there? 27 kg divided by 3. Yeah, 27 kg divided by 3. The total potatoes, how many you have, ma? Total potatoes.
27.
27 kg you have. Okay. Number of men. How many men are there? How many men are there? How many men are there, ma?
3 bags.
Okay. Now,
3.
each will get 1 man can get 27 kg divided by 3. How many potatoes, ma? How many potatoes? How many kgs of potatoes you can get? So 3 tables. 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. Yes, very good. 3 8s are 24. 3 9s are 27 kg. Each man will get 9 kg of potato. 9 kg of potato.
Ma'am, it is not 9 kg, it is 9 kg.
Not kg grams, ma. Kilograms. Okay. Kg means kilograms. Okay. Kg is short form of kilogram. It is short form of kilogram. Now jumping animals. The animals.
Squirrel jumped 3 steps.
Yeah, we done it in the previous chapters also. Okay.
Use the part of find out.
Now we are moving into an interesting topic, jumping animals. You know jumping animals. Okay. Now here, a frog jumps 2 steps at a time. A squirrel jumps 3 steps at a time. Okay. A rabbit jumps 5 steps. A horse jumps 15 steps. And a kangaroo jumps 30 steps. Okay. Now here one path is given for us. 0 to 30. Okay. Now by using this path, we need to find the jumps of the given animals. Okay. Here a frog jumps 2 steps. We know that. How many jumps will the frog reach to 30? So 2 steps means here. Actually, ma, what we will do? Jumping animals means we will draw lines like this. Okay. So 2 steps now. 0 to 1. Next 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. But so this is very less. Less means small number. 30 is little bit small number. So that what we can do, ma? So we can write. Suppose if it is given 100 steps, it will take a lot of time, isn't it? To draw like these lines, it will take a lot of time. So for that, what we will do? Jumping means 2 steps equally sharing. Okay. 2 steps equally jumping. Jumping 2 steps equally. That means total steps divided by 2 we will do. Division. Here we are going to use division. So total steps, how many, ma? Total steps that your frog should jump, how many total steps?
2.
Oh, total steps. Where to reach?
3. 30.
The frog where to reach?
100, ma'am.
Not 100, it is given 30. Okay.
30.
Total steps, how many steps we have, ma? Total steps.
30.
Okay.
Turn.
Jump of frog. One time. 2 steps. Okay. Now number of jumps we need to find out. How many jumps? Number of jumps. Total divided by in one step. How many jumps she can do?
Frog jump is 2.
One step. How many jumps she can do? 2 steps. So 30 divided by 2. So where you will get where you will find 30 in 2 table. So you know up to 10 only. So what
2 15s are 30, ma'am.
we are going to do division. What 2 table we are doing? First number 3 is there. So we know that 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10.
2 5.
Here anywhere are you getting 3?
No, ma'am.
No,
ma'am.
2 is
No,
less
ma'am.
than 3, 2 is less than 3 and 4 is greater than 3. So we cannot take 4. Why? Because from small number we cannot subtract big number. So what we have to take? We need to take less number. Less than 3 what you have here? Less than 3 what you have, ma? 2 1s are 2 you have. So 1 you have to write it here, 2 here. 2 1s are 2. So subtract 3 minus 2, 1 you have. Now get down 0. Now what is the
10.
number you have here? 10. How
10.
many times
10.
0?
0. 5 are 10, ma'am.
Yes, 2
5 are 10.
So 2 5s
5
are
times
10.
15, ma'am. Answer is
How many jumps, ma? Number of jumps in 15 jumps. In 15 jumps, a frog can reach 30. In 15 jumps, a frog can reach 30.
ma'am.
Okay?
Horse can jump 1 step into the 30.
Yes, yes, very good. That also will come, ma. Wait. Next problem we are going. We are moving to the next. Now, a squirrel in how many steps, ma? How many steps a squirrel will take? In 1 step, how many steps? Now, I'm going to ask Ishan. Remaining all of you mute yourself. Ishan, in how many jumps will the squirrel reach 27? In how many jumps will the squirrel reach 27? So here 3 steps it will jump now. 1 up to 3. 1. Next 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We need 27. Okay. How many steps, ma? 9 steps. While drawing, you can say it is 9 steps, but we have to do the problem using division. Then how to do?
27 divided by 3 is equal to 9, ma'am.
Excellent, ma, excellent. 27 divided by 3 equals to 9. So then what is the statement you have to write there?
27 divided by 3 is equal to 27 divided by 3 equals 9. 27 divided by 3 is equal to 9.
Frog and frog squirrel. Number of jumps.
3.
1 step.
3, ma'am. 3.
3. So number of
9, ma'am.
equals to
9, ma'am.
27. 3.
I'm not.
3 9.
Number of jumps, ma'am.
9.
Number of steps, ma'am. Number of steps. Second step.
Okay.
Ma'am, not number of steps, ma'am. Number of steps.
Number of jumps only, ma. 9. Now, in how many jumps will the squirrel reach 27? You need to find number of jumps only. Here 30 steps you have. Total steps 27. Okay. So
Okay, ma'am.
where to reach 27? It has to reach 27. So total steps 27. Okay. And then now how many jumps we need to find? In one jump means 3 steps it can jump. In one jump 3 steps. So in how many jumps it will reach 27? In 9 jumps it will reach 27.
9
Okay. Is it clear, ma?
Yes, ma'am.
Question.
20 line is missing.
Remaining all of you put yourself. Remaining
Ma'am,
all of
20 is the line is missing.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you have to give the answer. Okay.
Ma'am, 20 is in line is missing your screen.
Wow. Wow. 14.
Yeah.
16.
Now Bhargav will give you the answer to me. Kangaroo can jump 30 steps. Okay. Which number will the kangaroo will reach in 2 jumps? In 2 jumps, where it will be, ma? For 1 jump, 30 steps.
60, ma'am.
60, ma'am.
Vani, are you Bhargav Krishna?
60.
Not
I asked Bhargav Krishna. Remaining all of you, mute yourself. Ma.
60, ma'am.
2 jumps, how many steps, ma?
60, ma'am. 60 divided by 2 is 30.
No, not 60 divided by 2. 60 divided by 2, you don't write. In 1 step, 30 steps. In 2 steps, how many? 2 into 30, 60. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, na? Kangaroo will reach at the number 16, 2 jumps. Okay? Next question goes to Hasini.
Yes, ma'am.
So it is given a frog can jump
2 steps.
2 steps at a time. Okay. And a squirrel can jump 3 steps at a time. And a rabbit can jump 5 steps at a time.
Steps.
A horse can jump 15 steps at a time.
15 steps.
Who will all meet at a number 15?
Horse, ma'am.
No. What here you have to observe the question carefully. Here, about 4 animals it is given for us. What is given? Let us check. Who will who all will meet at the number 15? So how many animals is given for us? Frog. Frog, how many steps? 2 steps.
2, ma'am.
Like squirrel.
Squirrel 5. 3, ma'am. 3.
3 steps. Okay. Next, rabbit.
5.
5 steps. Horse.
15.
15.
15, ma'am.
So here it is asking for us about 15 steps. That's why I'm not taking kangaroo. Why? Because kangaroo in 1 jump 30 steps. So now in 2 steps, when it is jumping 2 steps, where it will be? First 2. Again 2 steps means 2 into 2.
4.
2 in next 3rd step. 2 into 3.
6.
Next 4th step.
8.
8. Next 5th step. 2 5s are 10. 2 6s are 12.
12.
7s are 14.
14.
2 8s are
16.
2 9s are 18. 2 10s are
18.
20. So for us it is they asked about 15 steps means up to 16 only we can see. Now squirrel 3 steps. 3 steps means first step is 3. First jump is 3. Second jump
3. 6.
3rd jump
9.
4th jump
12.
Fifth jump?
15.
Sixth jump?
18.
18. Very good. Now, Yashmita Anjali. Rabbit can jump 5 steps at a time. So, at first jump, where it will be, ma? First jump.
5. 6, ma'am.
Second jump.
10.
10.
10, ma'am. 15, ma'am. 15.
Fourth jump.
20.
So we are crossing 15. So up to here, I stopped. Okay. And now a horse can jump 15 steps. So Netra, where it will be at first step, ma? First jump. A horse in one jump, in one jump, 15 steps it can jump. So on the first jump, where it will be?
15.
Ah, say it louder. 15. On second jump?
15.
On second jump? 15 plus 15 or 15 into 2. On second jump, where it will be?
I'm Sherwani. 30.
30. Okay. So it's plus 15. So now the question is, which animal meets at the 15th step? So at frog, do we get 15 here? No. Squirrel we can get, rabbit we can get, and horse. So which animals will meet at 15 mark? Squirrel, rabbit,
Squirrel, rabbit, and
get 15th step. Okay, that is the question. You have to understand the question. They are asking on 15th step, which animals will meet. Okay, so we need to find the jumps accordingly. We need to find the answer. Okay, first jumps we are writing where it will be. Okay, then after that on 15th step, which animal is there? That we have to write. So on 15th step, squirrel will reach 3 into 5, 15. Rabbit will reach 5
yes, ma'am.
and horse will reach 5 into 15. So squirrel, rabbit, horse will meet at 15th step. Okay, na? Is it?
Answer is 15 only, ma'am.
Answer is you have to write the animals names. 15th step దగ్గర ఏ animal meet అవుతాయి అని అడుగుతున్నారు. Which animal will meet at 15th step? Okay, who all will meet at the number 15? At the number 15.
Frog, squirrel, rabbit, horse, ma'am.
Squirrel, rabbit, horse. 3 animals are meeting at the number 15. Okay. Now, yeah. Will the rabbit ever be at the number 18? Means, will the rabbit be at the number 18? Will the rabbit? So, rabbit jumps 5 tables. 5 steps. Means we have to write 5 table there. Do you get in 5 table 18?
In 5 table, no, ma'am. 18.
Will not
No.
18 in 5 table. So, the rabbit ever meet the number 18. So, rabbit takes 5 steps in 1 jump. So, in 2 jumps, it meets 10. 3 jumps, 15. 4 jumps, 20. So, 18 means 15 and 20. It will be in between 15 and 20. So, it will not meet, will not reach the number 18. The rabbit will not reach the number 18. Okay? Is it clear, ma? Now, one more question. How many jumps of the rabbit equal to 1 jump of horse? Now tell me, what is the first 1 jump of horse, ma?
15, ma'am.
How many steps?
15, ma'am.
1 jump of horse
15.
is 15. 1 jump of rabbit 5 steps. Okay. This 15, how can we write, ma? How can we write this 15?
3 5
15?
15. 3 5 15.
Okay. So that means 3 into 5 steps. 5 steps means which who will take 5 steps ma in one jump? Who will take 5 steps in one jump?
Rabbit, ma'am, rabbit.
Into one jump of rabbit. One jump of rabbit. That means how many times a rabbit will take? How many times? Sorry, horse will take how many times? 3 times of a rabbit jump. Okay. How many jumps of a rabbit equal to one jump of horse? 3 times of rabbit is equal to one jump of horse. 3 types of rabbit is equal to one jump of horse. Okay. Rabbit takes 3 jumps to cover 15 steps. So 3 jumps of rabbit is equal to one jump of horse. Okay. Somewhere getting sounds, ma, please mute yourself. Now, how many jumps of the horse equal to 2 jumps of kangaroo?
Ma'am,
Jumps of horse is equal to 2 jumps of kangaroo. So horse will take how many steps, ma? One jump. In one jump, how many steps? 15 steps. 2 jumps.
30, ma'am.
Into 15, 30 steps. In 3 jumps.
30, ma'am, 30.
Yeah. In 3 jumps, 3 into 15, 45 steps. In 4 jumps,
100, ma'am.
4 into 15, 60 jumps. Okay.
50 to 50, 100, ma'am.
How many steps kangaroo will reach in 2 jumps, ma? Kangaroo will reach in 2 jumps. How many steps? Where it will reach? At 60 it will reach. So how many jumps it will take? Horse will take how many jumps?
4.
4 jumps. This we will do like this also. So total jumps how many, ma? How many jumps? 60. Kangaroo in 2 jumps it will reach 60. Okay. Kangaroo will reach 60 steps, 60 in 2 jumps. Kangaroo will reach 60 in 2 jumps. Okay, so then total jump 60. Then horse in one jump, how many steps, ma? Horse will take 15 steps in one jump. So how many jumps the horse will lead means 60 divided by 15. So 15 table you don't know. So 15 into 1, 15.
15 for the 60, ma'am. 15 for the 16.
45.
15 for the 16.
So in 4 jumps, horse will reach
40.
4 jumps of horse is equal to 2 jumps of kangaroo. 4 jumps of horse is equal to 2 jumps of kangaroo. So kangaroo takes 30 steps in one jump. So steps covered by kangaroo in 2 jumps is 60. So horse takes 15 steps in one jump. So number of jumps covered in 60. Number of jumps by horse to cover 60 steps is 60 divided by 15, which is nothing but 4. Okay. Horse takes 4 jumps to cover 60 steps. Okay, ma? So like that we need to write the statement. Now, which is the smallest number where the frog and the squirrel will meet? Which is the smallest number where the frog and squirrel will meet? So here, frog jumps, check it ma. Frog take 2 jumps in 2 steps in 1 jump. Like 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on it will take. Now, squirrel how many jumps ma? In 1 jump, how many steps it will take? 3 steps it will take. So, where it will be? 3, 6, 12, 15 like that. What is the smallest jump? Common way, which number you have in these 2? 2 is there in 2. Do you see?
Ma'am, 6 ma'am.
So, the number 6 means 6th step is common. 6th step is common for both frog and squirrel. That is the least number. That is the least number. Okay. So the smallest number where frog and squirrel will meet is 6. Again, this is all about jumping animals. So jumping means we need to multiply. Sharing means we need to divide. Okay. Now here some questions are there. Divide into 2 groups using 2
Ma'am,
tables.
shall we ask?
What?
Ma'am, you will ask one.
Yeah, I will ask. I will ask one. First, let me write it. Here we have a relation between multiplication and addition. Okay. See, suppose 2 tens are how much ma? 20. Okay.
20.
Or 10 into 2, we will get 20 there.
20.
This is the product. This is the product. When you are multiplying 2 numbers, the answer what you are get is called product. Okay. Now, suppose this 20 is divided by 2. 20 is divided by 2. So what you will get ma?
10.
10 here. You will get 10 here. Or if 20 is divided by 10. So
2.
divided by 10. What you will get?
2, ma'am.
2 you will
2.
get. So these are called division and multiplication facts. You already wrote up about addition and subtraction. Okay. So like that, suppose if you are having 2 numbers, 4, 3, 12. Okay. See here. Suppose you have 4, 3, 12. 4 into 3. 4 into 3, what you will get here? 12 you will get.
12.
So 3 into 4 also, you will get 12. Okay?
12.
See? You will get 12. 4, 3, 12. Okay? Into division. 4 into 3. You will get 12. Or 3 into 4.
12.
12. Okay? If the numbers are interchanged also, the product is same. Now, 12 divided by 4. What is the number left over here? 3. Now, 12 divided by 3. 12 divided by 3. What is the number left over here? 4.
4.
Okay. So, these are called multiplication and division facts. Okay. Now, here, using multiplication, we can find the division. Using that division, we can find the multiplication. Okay, multiplication fact. So here we know that 8 divided by 2. That means in 2 table, where you will find 18 marks? 2 nines are 18. So the answer is
Yes.
9. This is the hint what we have. Now, 18 divided by 9. Now what we are doing?
2.
18 divided by 9. So 9 table
2.
2 is 18. Okay. What is the hint here?
Is 2.
2 table we need to, we have to use 2 table. It is given for us. So 2 nines are 18. So when you are dividing 18 by 9, what you are getting here?
2.
2. Okay, now 16 divided by 2. So in 2
18.
tables, where we will get 16 mark? 2 8s are 16.
8.
So when you are dividing 16 by
ma'am.
2, what you are getting there?
8.
8 we are getting. Now 20 divided by 2. In 2 table, where you will get 20? 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, like that.
10.
When you divide 20
20 is
by 2,
answer.
when you divide
10 is
2
answer.
by 2, what you will get here?
10.
10 you will get. Very good. Now here in division you have blanks. Okay. So then how to find the division value?
And 14 divided by 2 is equal to 7.
Excellent, ma. So you have to multiply these two numbers. You have to multiply these two numbers. 2 7, how much you will get? 14.
14.
The answer here. Okay. Now multiply these two.
20 divided by 2 is equal to 10, ma'am.
Yes, 20. So 20 is the answer here. The next answer. So here, what you have to
Division.
do, you need to do that. When you are you need to find this value. What you have to do? You need to divide these two. That means in 4 table, where you will get 8. Where you will get 8.
2, ma'am.
2.
8 divided by 2 equals 4, ma'am.
8. That means here you have to write 2. Okay? Is it clear to all of you? So, find the division parts, we will use multiplication. Find the multiplication fact, we will use division. Okay? So, like this you have, yeah, in page number 175 and 176 you have, like this one, 3 tables you have, these 3 tables you have to do as homework. Okay?
Ma'am, you give homework.
Yeah, these 3 ma.
Ma'am, you give homework. Easy also. Homework, ma'am.
And the next one.
You are sending homework, ma'am.
Yeah, it is there in textbook, ma. You can check, it is there in textbook, page number 25 and 176.
11:45, ma'am, time.
Yeah, I know, ma.
7:45 is the time.
Yeah.
7:55. The
That's all for
teacher
today's
cannot
class.
send ma'am 12 o'clock
Next
link.
class, ma. With the new chapter. Very interesting chapter that is. Don't miss it. You will, I'm sure you will enjoy that.